What's up guys, Jeff here today. Gonna go over a little install we did on the Parker. Not too many sound choices, factory, so I like having a pretty bump-in stereo in my boat. It doesn't matter if it's a fishing boat or not. You can be doing a lot of time in the water traveling. I like to listen to a little bit more music than most people, and if I'm gonna listen to music, I want it to sound good. Been a big fan of JL, done a lot of JL stuff, previous boats. But a pair of really nice JL 6.5s is $300. So try something different on this boat. Something a little bit more budget friendly. We went with Skar audio for all the amps and speakers. So let me give you a quick little rundown of everything that we got on here. All right, so I told you I like JL. Went with the Media Master 100. A couple reasons why. First and foremost, I like a good quality head unit. JL makes one. I know the early ones had a little bit of software buggy issues with them. I can tell you they're all straightened out. This thing works awesome. But if you have a pilot house, cool part is on this thing, you can adjust each zone individually for volume. So if you want to keep zone 1 and zone 2 a little quieter, you can change those settings. If you want them all the same, you can certainly do that. And you can see it when you turn up the volume knob. So that's a pretty cool feature that a lot of head units don't have. Next is it's got NMEA 2000 capability. So you saw my other video, NMEA 2000 hookup. This whole boat is officially wired for NMEA 2000. You can see my whole setup of my network right there. But what's cool is on my Simrad, I can hit a button and control my audio right here. So if I want to listen to same thing or anything like that, you can certainly do it. So if you have your stereo hidden down somewhere in your center console or something and you don't have access to it right here while you're driving, that's one quick way to do it. Also, JL Media Master, you got options for remotes. So I put one outside on my second steering, so if we're back here on the deck flying the kite, I can jam on, or if I need to press pause or adjust the volume for whatever we're doing, second control. So I think that's pretty helpful. All right, so Skar audio. We got 4 pairs of 6.5s. So we got them down here, and the stock locations that Parker does on their boats. And then I also had some starboard enclosures made, and we mounted them back here on the deck. So we got 4 pairs of speakers outside, which is pretty rad. Sounds pretty good too. Inside, we had to get a little bit more creative. Now, Parker normally has like some little 3.5 speakers that are up here. Nobody makes a good 3.5-inch speaker, and tweeters are not going to sound that great. So we ended up moving the speakers a little bit further forward. I used some of those enclosures again that we were talking about. And so I mounted one right there in front, and then the other's right here next to the bench seat as well. Now, that takes care of 6 speakers. I didn't want to cut any holes in the front in the anchor locker through that wall. One, you're going to get water on the backside from the anchor and stuff like that. So we bought a pair of wakeboard enclosures. And what we did is we fed up brackets right off the top of the sunroof, or the deck window. I made a little bracket and mounted it. So things all pretty set up now. It's super sturdy. It's not going to bounce off even in big waves. And we ran our cable down. So all came out really good. Like I mentioned before, I don't know of any Parkers that have a 10-inch sub behind their seat either. So this thing definitely jams. Now as far as locations, we found the right carpet. It's eel sand color. That's the color of the carpet, of the monkey carpet. And we made a little setup for this bad boy. So all flush mounted. The 6.5s are running at 1 ohm. So you got 500 watts for those. And that sub is also running at 1 ohm, 800 watts RMS. So plenty of power, man. I mean, even at light volume, I mean, this is down low. These sounds really, really good. Also did a little remote gain for the sub, so if you're getting bassed out, you can dial it back too. Super comfortable. And again, all your settings are all adjustable on here too. So you want to adjust zone 1, every single thing is available to you. And this is just on NMEA 2000. I mean, if you really want to dig into this head unit, we could spend a lot of time on it. But pretty common head unit, everyone's using it for the most part. Last thing I'm going to add on this thing is Sirius radio. I just haven't had time to do it. Fishing's been good, so we've been fishing and not working on the boat. So, well, I hope you guys like what you saw today. Maybe got some ideas that you want to do on your Parker. Like I said, you can do anything you want. I just want to do something different than everybody else. So, hey, if you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, get the word out there. Pretty cool ideas going on in Parkers, especially in California right now. So enjoy, guys. Take care.